Hi everyone, if your Windows computer is running slow, today I will show you 20 easy ways to make it faster. I added chapters so you can easily jump to the next one if needed. Let's get started. Tip number 1, update Windows regularly. Keeping your Windows 11 updated is crucial for performance. To check for updates, right-click on the Start menu, open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Regular updates not only provide new features but also essential performance improvements and security patches. Tip number 2, disable startup programs. Too many startup programs can slow down boot time. To manage them, right-click on the taskbar, select Task Manager, go to the Startup tab, and disable any unnecessary programs. For example, I want to disable this Discord app. Just click on it and click on Disable from here. By reducing the number of programs that launch at startup, you can significantly improve your PC's boot time. Tip number 3, optimize disk space. If your PC is running low on storage, open Settings by right-clicking on the Start menu, go to System, then Storage, and use Storage Sense to remove temporary files and other junk. Regularly cleaning up your disk space can free up valuable storage and improve overall system performance. Tip number 4, defragment your hard drive. Over time, files on your hard drive can become fragmented. Open this PC, right-click on your drive, select Properties, go to the Tools tab, and click Optimize. Defragmenting your hard drive can help organize files more efficiently and improve data access times. Tip number 5, adjust visual effects for best performance. Visual effects can be cool but can also consume resources. Click on the search icon, search for the control panel, just select View by category. Then click on System and Security option. Within the system, click on Allow Remote Access there. A small window will pop up. Go to the Advanced tab, under the Performance, click on Settings. Choose Adjust for Best Performance from here. Turn off extra visual effects. Then click on Apply, then OK. Disabling unnecessary visual effects can free up system resources and improve performance. Tip number 6, disable unnecessary services. Background services can slow things down. Go to the search bar, type services.msc here, and hit enter. Find the service you don't use, like I have this fax service here, right-click, select Properties, and set the startup type to Disabled. In this way, disable all services you don't need. Disabling unnecessary services can free up system resources and improve performance. Tip number 7, update drivers. Outdated drivers can cause performance issues. To update drivers, just right-click on the Windows Start icon. You will see an option for Device Manager, which will open up a new window. Here, you will see a list of various drivers, like monitor, network adapters, and printer drivers. Suppose you want to update a specific driver. Let's say I want to update this USB driver. Simply right-click on the driver and select Update Driver. You will see an option named Search Automatically for Drivers. Click on it. The automatic search will look for the latest driver online and update it for you. Keeping your drivers up to date ensures compatibility and can improve overall system stability and performance. Tip number 8, uninstall unused programs. Unused programs can take up space and resources. Open Settings, go to Apps, Apps and Features, and uninstall anything you don't need. Let's say I want to uninstall this Audacity software. Click on these 3 dots and select Uninstall option to uninstall it. Removing unused programs can free up storage space and reduce background processes, leading to improved performance. Tip number 9, clear browser cache. A cluttered browser cache can slow down web browsing. I am using Microsoft Edge. To clear the cache in the Edge browser, click on the 3-dot menu in the top right corner, select Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then click on Choose what to clear. Check the box next to cached images and files and any other data you want to clear, and click Clear Now. Clear the cache and cookies regularly. Clearing the cache and cookies can improve browser performance, speed up page loading times, and reduce memory usage. Tip number 10, disable search indexing. Search indexing can be resource intensive. Type services.msc in the search bar, find Windows Search, right-click, select Properties, and set the startup type to Disabled. Disabling search indexing can free up system resources and improve overall performance, especially on an older hardware. Tip number 11, disable OneDrive Sync. OneDrive Sync can consume resources. Right-click on the OneDrive icon in the system tray, go to Settings, Account, and click Unlink this PC. Disabling OneDrive Sync can free up system resources and improve overall performance, especially if you're not using OneDrive regularly. Tip number 12, disable transparency effects. Transparency effects can be turned off for better performance. Open Settings, go to Personalization, Colors, and toggle off transparency effects. Disabling transparency effects can reduce the workload on your GPU and improve overall system performance. Tip number 13, disable notifications. Notifications can be distracting and consume resources. Go to Settings, System, Notifications, and turn off unnecessary notifications. Disabling unnecessary notifications can reduce distractions and free up system resources, leading to improved performance. Tip number 14, adjust mouse settings. Mouse settings can affect system performance. Press Ctrl-I to open Settings, go to Bluetooth and Devices, Mouse, and adjust the pointer speed and other settings to your preference. Fine-tuning mouse settings can help improve navigation and overall system responsiveness. Tip number 15, disable unnecessary Windows features. Some Windows features may not be needed. Just turn off them. Go to Settings, Apps, Optional Features, and uninstall any features you don't use. Disabling unnecessary Windows features can free up system resources and improve performance. Tip number 16, clearing prefetch files. Clearing prefetch files can boost performance by removing unnecessary files. Right-click on the Windows Start icon and select Run from the menu. The Run windows will appear in front of you. Type Prefetch in the Run window and hit OK. When prompted, click Continue, select any file, press Ctrl+A to select all, and then press Shift+Delete to permanently remove these junk files. This step ensures that your computer runs smoother and loads faster. Tip number 17, clearing temp folder. Clearing the temp folder frees up space and can improve system performance by removing unnecessary temporary files. Next, let's tackle the temp folder. Open the Run window, type temp, and hit OK. Even if your computer is relatively clean, there might still be some leftover junk from applications. Select any file, press Ctrl+A, and then Shift+Delete to clear it out. If some files are not getting deleted, there's no need to worry, you can skip them. Tip number 18, clearing %temp% folder. Clearing this folder also frees up space by deleting temporary files, boosting system performance. Once again, open the Run window, type %temp% in the Run window, and hit OK. Don't worry, these files are not created by you, and are safe to delete. Select all, press Shift+Delete, and clear out that space too. If you come across files that can't be deleted because they are being used by programs, that's okay. Just skip those and move on. Tip number 19, using Disk Cleanup Tool. Disk Cleanup Tool also clears out unnecessary files to free up space and boost system performance. Press Windows and R, type Clean MGR, and hit OK. By default, the C drive where your operating system is installed will be selected. Check all the boxes for Recycle Bin, temporary files, thumbnails, delivery optimization files, and temporary internet files. Hit OK, your computer should now be cleaner and faster. Tip number 20, clean up desktop icons. A cluttered desktop can slow down your PC. Organize and remove unnecessary icons from your desktop to improve system performance. Select those icons you don't need, press Delete to remove them. Keeping your desktop clean can also make it easier to find and access files. Bonus tip, restart your PC regularly. Last but not the least, a simple restart can work wonders. Regularly restarting your PC can help clear memory and improve performance. Restarting your PC closes all running processes and applications, freeing up memory and ensuring that your system starts fresh. These are 20 detailed tips to make your Windows 11 PC faster from 0 to 100. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.